Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are dealing with data type in C programming language. We are learning today what is data type in a C programming language. So, data type. A data type is used to indicate the type of data value stored in a variable. Means a data type indicates what is the data value, means it is a int or float or character. It verifies us what is the data value in variable that we are using in a program. A data type of a variable is specified at the time of its declaration. Data type of a variable is declared at the time of declaration. Means if we writing a program, we first indicate or declare a data type to a variable, then only a program will be successful and is attached till the end of a execution. Data type, when we assign to a variable, it's attached to it till execution of a program. In general, a type refers to a collection of similar value. Means a data type can be a collection of similar values, means 10. Y also contain 10. If z also can be contain 10. It is a collection of similar value. Means int can be a collection of integers of plus or minus, but if and collection of operations. Collection of operation means can be in a program can be a data type use int float at a time that can be applied on this value. Means we can apply different operations on this data type value, means subtraction, multiplication, addition, etc. So let's see what is the different types of data types in C. C data types: void, integral, floating point, divide. In integral there is three types of data types: boolean, character, integer. This is come under integral. Floating point: real, imaginary, complex. Floating point data type can be a real, imaginary, complex. And fourth one is divide. First we see void. What is void data type? It is a one of the useful data type uses void keyword. Means no, if we have nothing value in the program, we use void data type. And it void data type data uses void keyword. It either possess any value nor perform any operation. This value the void cannot access any value or nothing. It can be nor perform any operation. Void data type cannot perform any operations. It is usually used when main function has it does not take any parameter and do not return any value. It can also be used with pointers. Second type, integral type. C supports three types of integral data type: character, integer, and boolean, as we know before. Integral data types are used to store whole numbers and characters but not fractions. Boolean data type. First type of integral type data type. The boolean data type can take any of two values, true or false. It is represented by boolean keyword. Boolean variable name means the boolean data type can be take true or false by boolean keyword. Boolean variable name means true or false name. Character data type. This data type indicates that the value stored in the associated variable is a character. Each character has an equivalent ASCII value. Example, A has a ASCII value of 65. These characters are internally stored as integers. It occupies 1 byte of memory, 8 bytes, and can be used for both single and unsigned. C supports Two international standard of character type is 4 type characters and 2 type characters. Means it occupies 1 byte of memory means 8 bits and can be used for both signed and assigned. C supports 2 international standards of character type, 4 type characters and 2 type characters. Means C supports 4 type characters and 2 type characters. Integer data type. The integer do not contain the decimal point. Means integer data type decimal points doesn't contain, but float can contain. Means another data type. This is the integral data type, third one, not float. They are stored in a binary form. The size of the integer depends on the word length of a machine. It can be either 16 or 32 bits. On a 16-bit machine, the range of integer value is -32 786 to +32 767. Different types of integers are short int, long int and long int. There can be in both signed or assigned terms. Signed means plus and assigned means minus. Now, signed integer. For signed integer, 1 byte is used for storing the sign. 1 represents a negative number and 0 represents the positive number. Assigned integer. These are the whole numbers that always hold positive values. Floating point type means third type of data type. Floating point data types are used to store real, imaginary and complex numbers. And we are seeing here what is real, imaginary and complex numbers. Floating point must be contain decimal point. Real. This data type contains both integral and fractional numbers. C supports 3 types of represent real numbers: float, double and long double. Means integral means numbers and fractional numbers. That C uses for fractional numbers floating point to represent real numbers, means 1, 2, 3. Not floating, double and long double. Imaginary. That this data type is generally used in mathematics and engineering. When a real number is multiplied by square root of -1 is termed as an imaginary number. The different imaginary types are float imaginary, double imaginary and long double imaginary. However, some type of C implementation does not support this type. Means its imaginary uses in mathematics and engineering. When a real number means normal number multiplied by square root, means 2 is multiplied by square root is 4. It is not given by C directly, but it uses imaginary data type. Some implementation does not support C. Means some type of C programs also does not support this type of data type. Complex. This data type is implemented by large number of compilers. Means in C, compilers uses and implement complex. The different complex types are float complex, double complex and long double complex. There are 3 types of complex integers, that is float complex, double complex and long double complex. Derived data type has the last and fourth one of data type. A data type which are derived from built-in data types that are already present in C. Built-in data types means are known as derived data type. There are 6 derived data types in C. There are function type, array type, pointer type, structure type, union type, enumerator type. Means these 6 keywords are used in for C. If we want functional type of output has an integer, we use function type. Array type. Array is a homogeneous elements that contain similar values with fixed size. Pointer. If we have fixed memory, we uses pointer data type, or pointer uses to allocate a memory to a data type. Structure type.